Hi, we are the team number 5. My name is Andrea Cruz,
My name is Lisbeth Morales.
and we are going to explain one of the rational functions. Here we have our rational function that it's 3 to the x to the power of 3 plus 8 divided on x to the power of 2 minus x minus 2.
First, we have to factorize the rational function in order to find the gap. After we factorize it, we can cancel the factors that we have in common. And the factors that we cancel are the value of x on the gap coordinate.
Here we factorized the first coordinates, and it was easier for us to factorize it like that and put the minus in the middle, so we could cancel and find the gap like easier. And we canceled the x minus 2 in upstairs and downstairs, and we had to, I don't know how to say it, and we have to displace x, yes, so to equal it on 0, and then we pass it like x is equal to 2, and that's our first coordinate for x on the gap.
After that, we have the new function in which we will substitute the value of x for 2 in order to find the y coordinate to complete the gap coordinate.
So after we cancel this, we had the new function, and that was x plus 2. I multiplied it for x plus 2, and then we divided in x plus 1, and that was our new function. And after that, we find the number that the coordinate of x and on the gap it's 2. So we substituted on the new function all the x's for the number 2, so we could find the coordinate of y to the gap coordinates. So we found that the coordinates of gap was 2, 16 under 3. And with the new function, we found, what did we found? We found the horizontal asymptote and the vertical asymptote. For the horizontal asymptote, that it's the value of x, we displayed the value of x that we turn it, and the value of x it's 1 on the horizontal asymptote. And in the vertical asymptote, here we have imaginary ones, and we divided 1 under 1, it's 1, so that's why the vertical asymptote it's y it's equal to 1. And then we have the domain, that it's x, ¿cómo se dice pertenece? X belongs to the real numbers, that it's minus infinite, minus infinite, comma, minus 1, including minus 1, comma, 2, included, 2, comma, infinite, and then the range. Teacher, ya perdone mi acento, pero ni modo. The range, it's y belongs minus infinite to 1, included 1, comma, 16 under 3, included the 16 under 3, comma, infinite. And we included the numbers in the middle because we need to mark the coordinates of the gap. And here's the
gap, and we obtain the coordinate with this one from here.
We have the coordinates for the gap, that was 2, that it's here on the axis, and the 16 under 3, and we divided and was like 5.3, so it's here, and here's the gap, so it's going from minus infinite to infinite. And then here we have the horizontal asymptote, that it's -1, and the vertical asymptote, that it's 1. So our lines don't need to touch these lines. So this is why this is going up, and this is going from minus to minus and crossing. Here we have to go one down and one to the left, and one to the left, and here that's how it's gonna mark the points. And yeah,
Thank you.